Ever found yourself with a super fast SSD, but nowhere to put it in your older PC case? This tiny gadget from Harper Productions claims to solve that exact problem, and honestly, it's a surprisingly elegant solution. We're talking about their 2.5-inch to 3.5-inch SSD mounting bracket, and they've sent over a massive 100 pack. That's right, 100 of these metal adapters. Now, the idea is simple. You take your sleek, modern 2.5-inch SSD or even a traditional 3.5-inch HDD, and this bracket lets you mount it into a standard 3.5-inch drive bay in your PC case. It's made of sturdy black metal, which feels reassuringly solid. It's not flimsy plastic. This thing is built to last. The dimensions are roughly 12 cm by 10.2 cm by 1.5 cm, which is pretty standard for this kind of adapter. Installation is straightforward. Each bracket comes with 8 screws, which is more than enough to secure your drive firmly. You just screw your SSD or HDD into the bracket, and then mount the bracket into your PC's 3.5-inch bay. It's a process that takes mere minutes, and suddenly, you've got that extra storage space integrated seamlessly. However, there's a small caveat to be aware of. The product notes mention that these brackets won't support PC cases that require bottom mounting. This is important to check before you buy, especially if you have a very specific or compact case. For most standard tower builds, though, this shouldn't be an issue. What's really impressive here is the sheer quantity. A 100 pack is clearly aimed at system builders, repair shops, or anyone who frequently upgrades or builds multiple machines. It's a bulk solution that offers incredible value if you need a lot of these. For the average home user, 1 or 2 might suffice, but having a few spares around is never a bad thing. The black color is a nice touch, blending in well with most PC interiors. It's a small detail, but it contributes to a clean, professional look. The metal construction also helps with heat dissipation, which is always a bonus for storage devices. So the big question, does it work? Absolutely. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It provides a secure and stable platform for mounting smaller drives into larger bays. It's a no-frills, functional piece of hardware that gets the job done reliably. In the end, the Harper SSD mounting bracket is a solid, dependable product. It's well-made, easy to install, and the 100 pack offers fantastic value for those who need them in quantity. If you're looking to add more storage to your PC and need a reliable way to fit those 2.5-inch drives into 3.5-inch bays, this is a great choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.